Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today, we have a pumpkin spice dark and stormy. All right, what you want to do is fill a shaker with some ice, and then add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, followed by a half a shot of orange juice, and followed by a shot or ounce and a half of rum, preferably dark rum, the juice of half a lime, and then you want to put the top on and shake this till everything is mixed together. Then pour into an ice-filled drinking glass. And finally top off with ginger beer. Basically fill it to the top of the glass with ginger beer. And that's it. Give it a stir around. And that's a pumpkin spice dark and stormy. Done. Oh, and this is optional. You can top it with a bit of nutmeg. If you want a little more spicy, and give that a stir around. But now, it's done.